You are going to love the 2022 Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, bedliner, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.